In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Spotify app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the official Spotify app on your Windows PC and get it downloading without any confusion. First, start by opening the Microsoft Store on your computer. This is the built-in app marketplace for Windows, and it's where you safely download trusted applications. You can usually find the Microsoft Store icon on your taskbar. If you don't see it there, press the Windows key, start typing Microsoft Store, and select it from the search results. Give it a moment to load. Depending on your connection, the home page may take a few seconds to display featured apps and categories. Once the store is open, look for the search bar, typically located at the top of the window. Click into the search field and type Spotify. Be sure to type the full name and check your spelling so the correct app appears right away. After you press Enter, you'll see a list of results. These can sometimes include similar apps or music-related tools, so take a moment to identify the genuine listing. From the search results, select the official Spotify app. The real one is clearly labeled Spotify and is published by the verified Spotify developer. Opening the product page is a good idea because you can quickly confirm it's the correct app by skimming the description, checking the developer name, and reviewing ratings. This page also shows whether the app is free and compatible with your device. When you are on the official Spotify page, click the Install button to download the app. Windows may briefly ask you to confirm that you want to proceed, especially if it needs permission to start the download. After you confirm, watch for a progress indicator that shows the download and installation status. This part is automatic. Just keep the Microsoft Store open and let it finish. A stable internet connection helps the process go smoothly, and if your device is low on space, consider clearing a bit of room before you start to avoid interruptions. Once installation completes, the button on the Store page will typically change to Open, indicating the app is ready to use. You'll also find Spotify added to your Start menu and searchable from the Windows search bar the next time you need it. That's all there is to it. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Spotify, select the official listing, and click Install. Follow these steps, and you'll have the Spotify app downloaded on your Windows PC in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.